So you guys, making peanut butter is so easy, you will not even believe it. Literally all you need are peanuts and salt, and sometimes maybe very little oil, olive oil or any other oil of your choice. But this is also very optional, by the way. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. Now, when you find out how easy it is, you're going to kick yourself. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to go through our peanuts, clean them. Here I have 4 cups of peanuts. We're going to sort them, wash them, and then I'm going to roast them in my oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to switch them about and roast them for a further 15 minutes, and then I'll show you what to do for. So first, let us wash and clean the peanuts. The peanuts are clean, and before I put them on the baking tray, I'm going to toss them with a little bit of salt. I like salting the peanuts when they are wet because the salt really sticks. Just pour them on my baking tray. Remember, my oven is preheating at 180 degrees centigrade. Spread them out. Put them in the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll toss them. Then put them back again for another 15 minutes because I want to make sure they are cooked thoroughly and without burning. Make sure you monitor your heat. If you find like they're turning brown too fast, just reduce it to 160. So let's put in the oven. Our first 15 minutes are up, and the peanuts are coming along well. So in they go for another 15 minutes. Now our peanuts are ready, straight from the oven. They are so delicious, you guys. And how you know they are done also is the skin crackles. Can you hear that? The skin crackles when you peel it. Right? They are nicely done. And then they're still a bit warm, which is nice because that means they'll give off a little bit of oil when we are blending them, which is what we want. Okay? So now we need to peel them. Of course, peeling them one by one is not even an option. Otherwise, I'll be here till kingdom come. So, I want to use this dishcloth here. Then I'm just going, oh guys, I'm tasting them. They're so delicious. I'm going to put them here. Can you hear how dry they are? So now once they're here, I'm just going to cover like this and rub them, okay? Careful not to pour. I almost did pour right now. So what I've done to prevent spilling is I've made knots up here. Now I'm just rubbing the peanuts against each other, and I think they're ready. And now if you want to make your peanut butter with peels, more power to you. I just feel like it becomes a bit bitter once it has the peels, But when I'm eating peanuts directly, I don't mind it if they have the peel. Let me know in the comment section whether you like your peanuts peeled or unpeeled. All right, can you see this, guys? Look at this. You see how easy that was? Most of them are peeled, actually. A good number of them. So let me just finish off with a few and I'll show you. So most of my peels are here. Most of my peanuts are here. Still a few with peels, but a very negligible amount. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to put it in my blender and we will start. I'm just going to pour only the peanuts and then I'll put a pinch of salt. So I have about 5.5 cups. Now the blending is going to be a bit noisy, and the more I blend, I'll keep increasing the power. So because I want a smooth peanut butter. Now if you want a crunchy peanut butter, what to do is to remove some peanuts and then crush them a bit and put them on the side, and then after you have made your smooth peanut butter, you add them back in and mix. I want mine completely smooth. One, because of the kids. Two, because of the kids. So let me start blending. Guys, I forgot to add my pinch of salt. So there we go. And it's already producing its own oil. I haven't added any, but even as you can see here, we have a bit of oil. So that means we are on the right path. What I want to do now is to increase the power so that we can get this done. If I find it too dry, I'm going to put a teaspoon of olive oil, just a teaspoon. But for now, let me continue. We're almost there. Just need to add a little bit of olive oil. I'll use this to measure. Just like that. Guys, look at that. Can you see how smooth that is? Yep. And so we are done. We are done. Like, can you say done? Let me show you. Guys, will you ever really buy peanut butter again after today? Like, why would you spend that money when you can make such smooth peanut butter? Oh my goodness, you guys, this is literally smoother than the peanut butter that we buy, sorry. My gosh, look at that. Can you see that? And I know exactly what's in it, so I don't have to worry, oh my gosh, preservatives, oh I don't know what, too much salt, some people put sugar and everything. These are just peanuts and a pinch of salt and a drop of olive oil. Nothing but goodness there. And it spreads amazing. amazing. Look at that. Can you see? My goodness. Brilliant. Please let me know if you're going to try this recipe, and if you do, let me know how it works for you. If you've liked this kind of content, remember to give us a thumbs up and share with a friend, and watch another video on this channel. And let me take a bite because it's really calling my name. Oh my goodness. That is so delicious. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you've learned something valuable today. And watch another video, and I will see you over there. Bye.